Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin, and today I'm going to do some smoked chicken burgers. I'm going to grind up some boneless, skinless chicken breast inside, and then we're going to bring them out here to the Pit Boss Pro Series 1100, and we're going to get the I'm going to get the smoker started right now. So set to the smoke setting, hit the button, and it's that easy. So that's going to start up. We're going to let it, we're going to do 225 for 30 minutes so that it gets some nice smoke in on that chicken. And then I'll crank it up to 250 and we'll finish them off. But we're going to go inside, we're going to grind up the chicken, make the patties, and we'll be right back out. First I have to get my chicken cut up. I'm using 4 breasts. They're not quite thawed all the way, but they're not frozen, so they're still really cold. And I'm cutting them up so that they'll fit in the grinder. So then after you get them cut up, you just start feeding them into the grinder and make your own ground chicken. Of course, you can get a grinder on Amazon or anywhere you want, but they come in handy. Move that down so you can see it. So we're just making a pile of ground chicken here. I'll get the rest thrown in here. Makes a good amount, makes a couple of pounds, I believe. And this is what you get. And then I'm going to poke some holes. I'm going to add some about 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Get that on there like that. And then of course I'm going to add some of my salt, pepper, garlic pepper. Of course, right? And I'm going to add a fair amount of that. And then I'm going to take this and mix it well. And then I'm going to make some patties out of it. And then after the patties are done, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit more of my salt, pepper, garlic. And don't worry, after touching the chicken and grinding the chicken, everything's been washed and sanitized, of course. Okay, so we've got our, it's up to 235, it's settling out. And here's our patties. I got them on some parchment paper to make it easier to get on the grill. So let's get it on. Right there. All right, 30 minutes. My spatula. Let's see how they look. They're looking pretty good. See if I can get these up off of here. I did not get the rest of these flipped, and we'll be right back. Okay, it's been set at 250 for about 10 minutes. They're looking pretty good. 10 minutes. Oh yeah, looking good. There's 140. Well, okay, 10 more minutes. Oh yeah, those look like they're done. So now, fire is cranking because I got the lid up. Have to put some Havarti cheese on this chicken. All right. What else? Fixing up 2, so we're going to put our buns in here. Let's toast up a minute. Just a few minutes, we'll get them on. Oh yeah, baby. Alright, we're going to turn that flame out. Beautiful. Tray. Well, guess what? That one's going to be a double-double. at that. Smoked chicken burgers with Havarti cheese and some brioche buns. Get mine built. Got some of my homemade spreads. Double patty on there. Just using my fingers. We got to get some green chili on there. Of course. Use my fingers. I didn't bring a spoon out either. Tomato. A little lettuce. Put a topping. Look at that. Look at that. Yes, sir. Here we are. Double smoked chicken burger. Green chili. That is one delicious chicken burger. Look at that. Perfect. You can actually taste the smoke. The spread's awesome. The Havarti cheese and the brioche bun. Man, so good. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.